In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a product page using Elementor Pro or any similar page builder in a way that's both efficient and user-friendly. Whether you're a web design rookie or a seasoned pro, this guide is crafted to provide clear and easy-to-follow directions, ensuring your product page looks polished and captivating. To begin your journey into the world of web customization, you'll need to open the product page template within your chosen page builder. For this instructional piece, we're focusing on Elementor Pro. However, the steps are generally applicable and you can adapt them to suit other page builders you might be using. Accessing the product page template is simple. Navigate to your site's backend and locate the panel dedicated to templates or product pages. Once you click through, you'll find a library of templates. Choose the one that aligns with your design aesthetic and intended functionality. Now that you've successfully opened your template, it's time to let your creativity flow. Customizing the layout is where you'll set the visual tone of your product page. Consider the flow and the user experience. You'll want a layout that is intuitive and draws the eye to key product details. Within Elementor Pro or any similar builder, you have the flexibility to rearrange sections, add columns, and adjust spacing to suit your style. Play around with different options to find a combination that best highlights the unique features of your product. Next, let's dive into image customization. Images are a critical component of any product page, as they offer a visual representation that can influence purchasing decisions. With your page builder, you can easily swap out placeholder images with high-quality photographs of your product. When selecting images, keep in mind the size and resolution to ensure they look sharp and professional across all devices. You might also want to consider adding galleries or image sliders to provide a comprehensive view of your products. Aside from images, the product information is equally crucial. Customize the text fields to include compelling product descriptions, technical specifications, and any other pertinent details. It's wise to keep the language clear and engaging, avoiding jargon so your audiences easily grasp the benefits of your products. Once you're happy with the layout, images, and information, it's crucial to save your changes. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and ready for previewing. In Elementor Pro, hitting the Save button is straightforward, usually located at the bottom of the editing panel. You'll want to save frequently throughout your design process to avoid losing any tweaks or additions you've made. And that's it. You've now customized a product page using a page builder. Remember, whether you're using Elementor Pro or another tool, the principles are the same. Focus on user experience, showcase your products with clear images, and provide detailed information. Thanks for following along.